Brad Williams, XL Prime, figure out the root value of a price. We have touched on this. We'll review it. We have a price. It doesn't matter what it is. What's the root? 33. What's the nth root? 425. We have hit F9, your heart's content. And you can see all we're doing is taking B5 caret 1 divided by 5. That's how we compute the roots. In other words, 90, root 1/3 is 4.48. What if we did this? 9, let's go 25. Well, that won't work because and if this was 5, it better be 5, right? Add the roots, 81 and 9. Oh, because we're going 1 to C5 to the 9th. Or we go 2. 81, root 2, 9. In other words, we're asking what number squared equals 81? What number to the 6th power equals 91? What number to the 1st is 84? What number cubed equals 77? 4.25. How do we know? Equals 4.25 times 4.25 times 4.25. Remember this, because as soon as I hit go, this number is going to change. So we're saying 77 cubed, 4.25. Hit enter. And because there's rounding, we can just do this and do this and cheat. So there you go. You can use the power function to do the same thing. I'm going to clear out everything that I just entered. Here's the power. You don't have to do the caret. You can read. Well, I think I pretty much covered it. Power calculates the number raised to a power. We've touched on it. Just remember the structure. You got to go 1 divided by. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks a lot.